So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I think at this moment we need to start praying for Usain Bolt. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in case this happens to be your first time, make sure to like and subscribe. Now in this video we'll be talking about the mysterious situation that Usain Bolt has been battling himself with, and recently he has spilled the whole truth, and he made it known that, look, I am ready to speak the truth about what this Jamaican government, how they have been treating me, how they have been maltreating me. And in this video you will get to know every single detail. Now, in case you do not know, recently Usain Bolt was being scammed of a large amount of money from the Jamaican government, right? So allegedly, I'm so sorry, allegedly, I don't know whether it is really the Jamaican government, but according to rumors flying out, it is the Jamaican people, the Jamaican government, sorry.
Yo, peeps. So it's been 1 year. Yeah, 1 year now. New year just start. Just want to know something there. Still I fight the fight. Still I hold on. Odds I can stay strong. You know the country used to it. To all the people who that support me, continue support. No, nothing but love.
Now the video clip you just watched was literally Usain Bolt complaining that it has been 1 year now. He has been scammed of millions of dollars from the Jamaican government, right? Allegedly. Now it is 2 years today, right? So Usain Bolt went on his Twitter account and he started lamenting by saying, broken words, not broken record. And he said again, heartbroken, so many words unspoken. And he went again and he said, them know the price of everything but value of nothing. And he did not just stop there. He went again and he said, can we bank on them to tell us, or we not in the cycle? So Usain Bolt has been crying, lamenting on his social media platform, both on Twitter, on Instagram, almost all his social media handles, that look, these Jamaicans, officials, the government, they made me to invest. According to the rumor that I heard, the whole situation with Usain Bolt is the fact that he went ahead, he was deceived, he was lured, right? And like I said, Usain Bolt was lured and deceived to invest in a platform, that he knew nothing about. And after he invested millions of dollars on that platform, allegedly, now his money is gone. His hard-earned money that he made during his running era, his dominance era, is nowhere to be found. It has officially been swept away from him, which is very sad and unfortunate. And now the Jamaicans, those officials that participated allegedly in scamming Usain Bolt, they are not making effort to make sure his money is being returned back to him, because whether we like it or not, Usain Bolt money is somewhere else. That money is somewhere else. Someone is eating up that money, whether we like it or not. And Usain Bolt is crying. He's like, look, give me back my money. Give me back my money. I am the fastest man alive. And you guys are treating me like a trash. I made Jamaica proud. I went onto the big stage. I represented. And you guys are treating me like a dustbin. You guys scammed me of millions of dollars. And you guys are not trying hard enough to make sure that my money is being returned back to me. So stuff like that. Usain Bolt is lamenting because he has the right to lament, right? You do not expect him to keep quiet of his right. And that is why he went on his internet account and he said, "Was broken but not record broken." And he said he has a lot of unspoken word. In the next couple of days, I'm very sorry to say that we will be witnessing bubbles of drama, because I think Usain Bolt is now ready, fully ready to go into war with those people that scam him of his $1 million, right? Usain Bolt is saying enough is enough. And he is finally going out all and putting on his effort to make sure that those money that were being scammed from him are being returned back to him, right? And I'm supporting him 100%, because I do not support injustice. I might not be from Jamaica, but I do not support injustice. Usain Bolt is a legend, and he doesn't deserve what they are, how they are treating him right now. Never. Usain Bolt does not deserve the way these people are treating him, right? Now, let me hear your opinion. Let me hear your opinion about this whole situation. Do you believe, or do you think that, okay, probably the reason why Usain Bolt was being scammed of his money is literally because he was not smart enough? Because I know a lot of people, in their mind, they will be feeling like, oh, maybe probably the reason why they scammed him is literally because he was not smart enough, he was not wise enough, stuff like that. I definitely believe some people will have that kind of tendency, they will have that kind of mindset, that Usain Bolt was not smart enough. But being scammed is not all about being smart enough. It can happen to everybody. One of the biggest mistakes people always make in life, and I always say it, is they feel like it can happen to them. Never you have that kind of feeling. Never you believe it cannot happen to you. Just pray so that bad things will not come your way. But trust me, you are not exempt. Anything that will be, okay? So I don't know your opinion. Let me hear your opinion about Usain Bolt being scammed. And how are you feeling? Are you feeling pity for him or not? Let me hear your opinion, and do not forget to like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.